My name is Przemek Chojecki and this episode is about data and where to get it. We're living in this amazing world where almost everything is digital or soon to be digital, and when you're a data scientist, the crucial thing to do is to get data in order to analyze that and extract some nice things about it. So there are really many sources for data right now, starting with scraping the web. So writing your first robot who would actually take something from the web and then clean the data is really simple. It only takes a couple of lines of code with import request, import beautiful soup, and then you get the link, clean the data, and you have it. The basic difficulty with here is that if you want to do it at scale, then it becomes subtle because you need to clean data at scale. That's a little bit more difficult, and also you need to probably get permission from the websites you're visiting like that to do it. But it's still possible. So that's one of the most common way to get data, get it yourself. The other thing is there are many different public databases you can get and you can use for your either research or your own projects. Those are all available through Googling because, for example, you get all the data from public databases, from governmental institutions, organizations, from European organizations, from European Union to the United States. There are a lot of data about people, about demographics, and you can use that in your visualizations, in different data analysis that you'll be doing. So that's another thing. Yet another thing is the databases that are put by different companies on the web, mostly on Kaggle. So Kaggle.com, that's the website to go. There are many different databases, there are many different challenges associated with those databases, and it's a great place to start or just continue getting your data from, because those data is mostly already cleaned, sometimes not, sometimes it's anonymized so you don't know what you're dealing with, but it's really great as a source of data. Another thing is having API to different services. Like for example, Twitter gives you API, Google Maps has API, so you can download this different bunch of data by basically connecting to the API, maybe asking for a couple of permissions to do that, but they're giving the API, so they're already open to do that, right? So that's the thing to go for. Yet another thing to get your data from is actually to buy data. There are different companies out there who are actually selling data, and you can buy actually anything from like locations of mobile phones around the world to different environmental stuff. It's really great. Sometimes you have to pay a lot, sometimes much less. If you're doing just do it for research, then most of the time you get either the very low price or you get the data for free. It's always great to ask for that. So those are the couple of sources that I had in mind and I was researching lately. There are of course many more. Again, like we're living in this fantastic world where everything almost is digital. Well, it's both fantastic and terrifying at the same time, but that's a different discussion. For the purpose of data science, that's really fantastic because we never had so much data available for free or for a small price on the web, and you can use it for anything. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next episode.